Preparations are in full swing for the holding of the Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair tomorrow in Lipa, Batangas. Millions of pesos worth of assistance have been allotted for the tens of thousands of beneficiaries that will not only receive financial aid but can also avail of the many government services that the caravan offers. Mela Les Moras has the details.
Thousands of chairs have already been arranged here at Lima Park in Lipa City, Batangas for the launching of the Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair this weekend. Various booths of different government agencies participating in the much-awaited caravan are also in place. In a press conference this afternoon, Finance Secretary Ralph Recto, Lipa City Mayor Eric Africa, and BPSF National Secretariat Lead and House Deputy Secretary General Sofonias Gabonada Jr. highlighted what to expect at the BPSF Batangas. Overall, a total of 563 million pesos worth of aid and services will be given out in the Serbisyo Fair to more than 60,000 beneficiaries.
Lahat yan, BIR, SSS, GSIS, all their programs are readily available for 2 days. Passporting, nandyan yan, birth certificate, agriculture, turnovers of machineries and farm equipment, subsidies to our farmers, all those things, no? Ang medyo popular talaga is yung AKAP, AIX, TUPAD, MAIP, all of those things. Pero there are a lot of programs and services being offered by our national government agencies na sa tingin natin ay kailangan talagang ma-avail ng ating mga kababayan sa Batangas.
Yung iba't ibang pangkaraniwan na pinupuntahan ng mga kababayan natin, birth certificate, NBI clearance, halimbawa, driver's license, PRC. So ito mga halimbawa ng mga programang hatid ng Serbisyo Fair.
Sa 25 years ko in public service, tanging ang administrasyon lang ni President Bongbong Marcos, ang gobyerno mismo ang lumalapit sa tao. Napakagandang programa. Bukod dun sa mga regular programs, marami palang programa ang national government na pwedeng pakinabangan ng tao.
The Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair is a one-stop-shop caravan initiated by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to bring government services closer to people. On behalf of the Chief Executive, House Speaker Martin Romualdez will lead the launching of the BPSF caravan tomorrow, which will run until Sunday. In addition, the government has also assured it will continue to address other challenges in the province, such as the threat of African swine fever.
May nakaalat pong vaccine para sa ating mga father saka mga biik at mga farmers po sa Lipa. Right now, meron tayong 5 barangays affected.
Meanwhile, Secretary Recto also responded to concerns about the country's debt.
Alam po ninyo, hindi masama ang utang. Palagay ko, marami tayo dito, may utang din. Ang ekonomiya natin ngayon, mga 26 trillion. Ang utang natin, nasa 15 trillion by 2028, magiging 38 trillion, yung utang ng bansa 20 trillion. So for as long as we spend it on the right projects, sigurado makikinabang ang bansang Pilipinas at ang mga Pilipino. So hindi ako nababahala sa utang ng ating bansa.
Reporting from Lipa City in Batangas, Mela Les Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.